Hello students, as you know, the notification for MPPSC 2021 is out. Here are some important dates you should know. So, as you must be knowing that MPPSC has upgraded its syllabus for prelims and mains also. So, you can see here that the old syllabus for prelims I have written here. So, the basic first, second, third stage is similar, but what they have changed is the syllabus of paper 1 of prelims, and also they have upgraded the syllabus of mains. Actually, they have organized the syllabus with the standard. So this is the old syllabus, as you can see here. There was sorry, there was Indian and world part first, and there was MP oriented part, and the paper 2, which is CSET of MPPSC, they called it aptitude test. So it is, the syllabus is same here. What they have changed, actually what they have upgraded about is paper 1. So let's see it. For convenience and for understanding, I have categorized the syllabus into 3 parts. First part is the MP related part, which is increased in numbers, the topic. Second part is the India and the world part, and the third part is science, which includes science, environment, information technology and communication technology, etc. What is common between these two is sports section and current affairs. They ask sports of international level, national level, and MP level, as well as the current affairs also. So it is clear, I think. I have not explained the syllabus in detail. I've just categorized it in this video. If you want, I can do it in next video. Please comment. I want to add one point, that the paper 2, which is aptitude test, its level may increase. So normally people don't students don't prepare for it, so you can uh, put some efforts in maths and reasoning. Now take some points here. As most important point, they have removed the act, but they have increased the weightage of MP part. Second, the level of questions are increasing because they are taking the exam to the standard level. What you're calling the change in syllabus is actually the upgradation in syllabus. So my suggestions here, there are few suggestions by my side, is first you have to understand the demands of the examination, then only you can clear any examination. So yeah, first understand the demand and then do it accordingly. Analyze previous year papers and know where you exist, and then uh, prepare for it. And the most important key is stick to syllabus. Don't read here, there, this and that. Stick to syllabus. Cover all the topics. Do not focus on only one topic, two topics. Cover all the topics which are given here. They uh, contains equal weightage and equal importance, so respect all the sections. And level of MPPSC is going up, so keep that in mind and work accordingly. So thank you very much for watching, and if you want the detailed explanation of the syllabus, comments comment below and I'll make it for you. Thank you so much.